Hello and welcome to another edition of Stock Watch. As we end the trading week, we're looking at Alibaba after their shares plummeted almost 11% in yesterday's trading after missing earning expectations. And actually the CEO did say there is going to be a vast slowdown in the stock for the next quarter at least. So the company forecasts its annual revenue would also grow at its slowest pace since its stock market debut in 2014, which is quite a significant statement there. And the reported sales growth was down from 29% a year ago to 31.1 billion, and Wall Street was expecting 32.1 billion. So missed out on $100 million there. And the weak figures underscore the firm's struggles as the country cracks down on these, has a regulatory crackdown on these big tech firms in China at the moment. So we'll just wait and see we're going to see shortly on the charts how detrimental that is for the stock. And also, just another story I just want to pick up on is that Amazon in the UK will stop accepting Visa payments from its clients in January, which is a big hit for Visa, as well as it could be a big hit for Amazon as well. But Amazon are trying to keep up the pace by offering their existing clients a £20 voucher, let's say, for Prime, for their Amazon Prime membership, if clients can switch from Visa to another payment alternative. So we'll see how that goes in the near term at least. As I said, it's coming in January, and a Visa spokesperson did come out to say it's very disappointing when clients cannot have a choice of what they want. They are restricted in this. So we'll see if that has any upcomings in the near term. So let's take a look on the charts then to see what's happening with Alibaba. First of all, the last time I looked on Alibaba, we're in a very vast descending channel. And this has been going back from the end of last year. So pretty much a year-on-year descending channel there for Alibaba. I've got the Bollinger Bands in place at the moment because I want to just emphasize where we are looking at moving away from the mean and obviously the top and lower bands as well. As you can see here from yesterday's announcement, prices have crashed through not only the lower band but the mean as well of this descending channel. So I'm personally looking for another move to the downside at this lower band. So this lower channel, and then we'll see if we're going to crack the lower band, which is quite significant, as we're going down to the $100 mark, which hasn't been seen for a very, very, very long time. And as I said, just reported, this big drop here of 11% was the worst that it's had in a daily, an intraday drop since 2014 when it was registered. So we'll see what happens in the near term at least. Not looking too good for Alibaba though. But with every drop in price, there is always an opportunity, and we could be heading for either, as I said, for bears, very, very positive direction. But just be careful, because with every big gap in the market, there always is a potential for a reversal when investors get on the bandwagon and start buying these stocks as well. So just something to look out for in the near term. So it's not all detrimental for trading Alibaba at the moment. Amazon, on the other hand, they are looking pretty buoyant at the moment. Not really looking too much in the way of falling lower. On the daily chart at least, just looking to see if they're going to start picking up on these recent peaks that we saw towards the 3,800 area. As you can see, very, very buoyant day for Amazon yesterday. We're looking now at this price action to the upside. Not too much in the way of divergences on the RSI. You could say, at this peak here, if it peaked a little bit more, we could see a little bit of exhaustion coming from a bearish divergence. However, that's not really looking likely at the moment, and prices are looking very bid. So and honestly, breaking this top Bollinger Band as well is a big signal for another push, and momentum is still on the upside as well. So we'll see what comes into fruition for that. And in the near term at least, we are looking to see if prices will keep pushing higher. Obviously, we've got this ascending channel, which is looking like it's going to keep on pushing higher. And if we get out of it, then another leg to the upside as well. Exhaustion is always on the cards for big price moves in the market, but for Amazon, it looks like it's going from strength to strength, especially keep in mind as the holiday season in America is approaching. So not only Thanksgiving, but also Christmas as well, which could see a lot more profits for the company, obviously a lot more surging in price action as well. So just a few things to keep an eye out for as this earnings season comes to a close, and we'll see what the detrimental figures are for that as well. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Thank you very much for joining me. Any comments or questions, please leave them in the post and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.